Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelley. Now the video you're about to see is a sneak peek of our newest course, Dojo Go, and the Legend of the Gold Belt. Now, I want to warn you guys, there is a spoiler warning. If your kids have not done the 6-week transformation course or Dojo Go and the 5 gems, do not do this video yet, because this is going to tell you guys things that happen in both of those courses. So I don't want anybody to be spoiled. Other than that, if you've already done those courses, you know what happens, then feel free to watch this video. I'll see you guys soon.
How dare you? You should have gone for the hate.
Oh no! Whoa, man. Oh, hey everybody. Hey Dojo. Do you guys know where we are? It's so dark in here. Is there any light switch we can turn on? What, here? Oh, wow. It looks like we're trapped in some sort of cave. I see crystals, I see some bats floating up there. Looks like this is what it's like underneath Dr. Fisk's lab. Well, you guys, we gotta find a way out of here. Can you guys help me and Dojo find a way out? Awesome, alright, let's go. Oh no, there's this big boulder blocking the way. Can you guys help me destroy this boulder so we can get through? I don't believe you. Yes, yes sir. Awesome, alright, let's go ahead and try to knock this thing out with our punches. Ready, hands up, fighting stance? Good, awesome. Alright, let's throw it with a jab. We're gonna go jab in my count. I will say, hana. Good, now we're gonna throw a cross. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Yas it. Here you go. You're there. Oh. Yeah. Awesome, very good job you guys. You destroyed the boulder. High five, awesome. Alright, let's go ahead and keep going. Huh. Looks like we run into a wall with some words I don't understand on. Looks like some kind of other language. Do you guys know what this means? What's that sound? Ah, a spider! I don't like spiders. Dojo, do you like spiders? I don't like spiders. Alright, well, let's go ahead and destroy the spider. Can you guys help me together? Awesome, alright, hands up, fighting stance. Alright, oh, he's throwing webs at us. We gotta make sure we duck underneath. Let's duck. Yeah, duck. Yeah, duck. Duck. Awesome, alright guys, let's throw some combinations at him. Let's go ahead and go jab, cross, hook. Ready, let's say jab, cross, hook. Nice, good job again. Let's go jab, cross, hook. Awesome, good job again. Let's go jab, cross, hook. Nice, good job, awesome. Oh, he's gonna throw some webs at us. Let's block, block. Oh no, my hands are stuck together. Can you help me break it apart? Ready, let's break it apart. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh. Wow, this spider's tough. Ready? Let's keep our hands up like this. Alright, let's practice some of those elbows we learned. Ready? Let's go up elbow, up elbow, up elbow, power elbow, power elbow. Nice, again, let's go up elbow, power elbow, power elbow. Nice, very good job you guys. Oh, he's gonna be throwing more webs at us. Let's duck like before. Ready? Duck, 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 duck. Awesome, alright guys, let's finish off the spider with some kicks. Let's go front kick, around kick combination. Ready, everyone say, hana. Good, this leg, do it. Now the other leg, set. Good, net. Good, awesome, now let's do it really fast. Ready, and go. Hana, good, set, net, toss it, yup it, you go, yeah. Oh, yeah, nice, very good job you guys. High five, high five, wow. It's quite a way to start a lesson today, huh? With a spider attacking us, being trapped in a cave? Well, I know that with your help, we can definitely get out of this cave. We can get in one piece and we can finally be out where there's sunlight, right? I'm gonna get a little bit tired of this whole dark scenario, so let's go ahead and find a way out. Now, we're looking at this wall here, and it looks like some writing. I don't really understand it. You guys wanna take a look at it? All right. So it looks like on this wall, you have to do certain moves to unlock it. Certain moves that we're going to learn over the next 6 weeks. Some of these moves are horse stance, flying side kick, scissor axe kick, Superman punch, and spinning hook kick. And then there's one more that's a mystery to me. I'm not sure what it is, but I can definitely show you guys what those are. You guys ready to start today's first lesson? Awesome. All right, ready? Everyone ready yet? Can you? Awesome. Now, let's use our imagination for a minute, and let's pretend that we are in a dinosaur land. Ready? So let's change this background to a dinosaur. Awesome. All right, so we're going to be practicing some awesome new moves today. We're going to make sure that we get trained really hard so that way we can perfect the moves, so that way we can get out of that cave. Okay, ready? Let's try it. Haven't tried it yet? Can you? Awesome. All right, guys, ready? First move we're going to practice is horse stance. So, and I'm going to take your hands just like this. When I say go, we're going to jump up, and we're going to have our hands like this, feet apart, 50-50. Okay, ready? And everyone jump. Awesome, good job. And back. Good, jump. Good, and back. Good, jump. Good, and back. And jump. And back. Awesome, one more, jump. Good, and back. Awesome job. All right, we're gonna practice some techniques in the horse stance. Now, the purpose of a horse stance is to get your legs really strong. Okay, this might pay off later, but we have to have strong legs. Okay, so don't slack on this one. Make sure we do it. So ready? Let's have our feet apart like this. Good, nice. Now, let's go ahead and take one hand. Pull it back just like this hand out. Now, we're gonna practice punching, reverse punching on my count. When I say hana, we're gonna punch with this hand. I'm gonna say hana. Then the other hand, do it. Good, set. Good, net. Toss it. Yes it. Irgo. You there. Aho. Here. Awesome job, you guys. Now this time, here's what we're going to do. We're going to skip to one side and throw a punch on my count. Then we're going to skip to the other side, throw another punch. Do you guys think you can handle it? Oh, I don't believe you. Say yes, sir. Ah, come on, you guys say louder. Yes, sir. All right, ready? Let's try it together. Skipping sideways punches. Ready? Everyone say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Keep those knees bent. Toss it. Yes it. Irgo. You there. Aho. Yes. Nice. Very good job, you guys. High fives. High five, high five. Awesome. Good work. All right. Now, next technique in the horse stance. We're going to have our feet apart just like this. Now, from here, okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to skip and throw 2 punches. Skip to the other side. 2 punches. Does that make sense? Awesome. All right, let's try it together. Ready? And skip. 2 punches. Good. Skip. 2 punches. Skip. 2 punches. Skip. 2 punches. Skip. 2 punches. One more. Skip. 2 punches. Awesome. Very good job, you guys. Ready? High fives. Awesome. All right, so I'm going to give you a really quick 30-second water break. When you're done, come back and we'll get started again. Ready yet? Can you? Awesome. See you soon. Hi everybody, welcome back. You guys have been really good with those horse stances. Now, one of the things to keep in mind, when you're doing a horse stance, make sure you have weight on both sides of your leg, okay? You don't want one a little bit here, you don't want one a little bit here. You want them both balanced on the ground. Does that make sense? Now, having a good horse stance is kind of like something else in life, okay? If you focus so much on one thing, sometimes you forget about the other things that are important, right? So let's say, for example, let's say you're really focused on doing well in math, right? But you don't really focus on English that much. Now English is gonna suffer. What you have to do is you gotta make sure you're balanced, right? You're spending just as much time as you are in math as you are in English. Now, some of you guys, you might be really, really good at English, and math might mean more work. So you might have to adjust your time to make sure that they're both even and they're both really rock solid. Does that make sense? Now, sometimes in life, right, when you get older, you have things called priorities. Now, what priorities are things that you want to do in order, okay? So let's say, for example, your priority might be your family, right? So my family might be in this leg. And then I have another priority that might be spending time with friends in this leg, right? Now, in order for me to spend time with my family and my friends, I gotta make sure I'm balanced, right? If I spend a lot of time with my friends, if I never spend time with my family, that's gonna be a problem in the future. And if I spend a ton of time with my family and I ignore my friends may not wanna see me anymore, right? So having balance is key, okay? So here's what you're gonna do in the next lesson. Oh. You guys hear that? Oh no, it's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. All right guys, well, let's practice the horse stances that we learned. He's gonna go ahead and start throwing these dinosaur eggs at us for some reason. And we're gonna have to go ahead and duck underneath and hold the horse stance to make sure you don't get hit by the egg. You guys think you can handle it? Awesome, all right, ready. Hands up like this, ready to duck, and horse stance, duck. Good job, back up. Good, all right, throwing another egg at us, duck. Good, back up. Good, and duck. Good, and back up. Awesome job, you guys, 3 more times, duck. And back up. Good, 2 more times, duck. Good, back up. Good, 1 more, duck. Good, stay down. And relax. Awesome job, you guys, high fives. Awesome, you guys did fantastic with the lesson today. Let's go and go back to the cave. All right, so we've got 1 move down. Let's see what happens to the wall when we do that. Ready? And everyone see the horse stance. Whoa. It looks like the cave is glowing up just a little bit. And some of the wall is revealing itself a little more. So we'll have to learn all the moves in order to go past this wall, you guys. So I want you guys to keep practicing your horse stance. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Chariya? Kenya? Awesome work, you guys. Bye-bye. Awesome job, you guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and end class today with a cool down. Okay, so go ahead and have a seat on the ground. Let's go ahead and start with a 1 foot out, 1 foot in, just like this. Pulling your toes back, and then reaching up for the sky, and then going all the way down as far as you can. Now remember, if you can't touch your toes, it's okay. Go as far as you can, keep your legs straight. Now repeat after me. I want to say hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Awesome job. All right, now here's what I want you guys to do. I want you to take 1 foot, cross it over your ankle like this. You're gonna start rotating your ankle really slowly. Yeah, rotating really slowly. I'm gonna say hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Now we're gonna go the other way now. Ready? I'm gonna say hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Awesome job. All right, now this time I want you guys to go ahead and bend your knee just like this. Okay, you're gonna bend it up, stretching out your leg like this. I'm gonna say hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Good. Now we're gonna stretch this leg 1 more time. We're gonna keep this foot right here, and we're going to reach down while this foot's on top. Ready? I'm gonna say hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Good job. Awesome. All right, now we're gonna switch legs. We're gonna go on the other side this time. Feet out just like this, reaching down for your toes. Ready? I'm gonna say hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Good job. All right, now flip this leg over the top. We're gonna start rotating our ankle just like this. I'm gonna say hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Good. Now go the other way. I'm gonna say hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Good. Now we're gonna bend our knee just like this, stretching out our leg. Ready? I want to say hana, do it, set, net, Awesome, very good job. Now having this leg straight, going down as far as you can. Ready? Everyone say hana, dur, set, net. Awesome, awesome job you guys. All right, now next one we're gonna do, we're gonna have our feet up right in the center just like this. Good, go and flap your wings a little, flap it out a little bit. Good, nice. Now we're gonna go down and we're gonna count 10 in Korean this time. Ready? Everyone say hana, dur, set, net, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome work. Okay, now next one, we're gonna have your feet apart as wide as you can. Good, we're gonna reach down to one side, looking down at your knee, okay? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now go to the other side, keep counting. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, nice. Now we're gonna go down to the middle. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Nice, awesome job. All right, let's go ahead and stretch out our back a little bit. Now this time, we're gonna go ahead and go in this position here. We're gonna have our feet on the ground, hips together. Good. Looking up to the ceiling. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Now everyone go ahead and go back down on your knees just like this. Good. Now I'm gonna take your hands like this. We're gonna turn our hands upside down, put them on the ground like this. Now very slowly lean back to stretch out your wrist. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. Now we're gonna rotate our hands. We're gonna put our fingers down like this and lean back. We're gonna keep counting. Everyone say 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Nice. Awesome job, you guys. Everyone give me a high five. Awesome. Very good work today. We're gonna go and stand up. 차렷. Good. 그녀. Awesome, awesome job today, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Hey homeschool parents, are you looking for an activity to help your kids get more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Kelley, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at co-op, and I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.